The Fluke 179 multimeter with backlight is renowned for its precision and accuracy, making it a reliable tool for both professionals and hobbyists. This multimeter features a built-in thermometer, allowing users to conveniently measure temperature without needing additional equipment. With its true-RMS capability, it accurately measures alternating current and voltage, providing dependable readings in complex electrical environments. The device includes a backlit digital display and an analog bar graph, which enhance visibility and ease of use in various lighting conditions. It offers a wide range of measurements, including voltage up to 1,000 volts, resistance up to 50 megaohms, and capacitance up to 10,000 microfarads. The Fluke 179 is built to withstand tough environments, combining robust construction with user-friendly features like automatic ranging and data hold functions.